another one. It's gonna be a quick vlog. I'm in Jacksonville, heading home. Just need something to go home. It wasn't even a great load like that. It's a trash load really, but I just wanted to get home. I didn't want to live head. I ain't gonna say dead head home. I want to at least cover gas money, so I took it. Quick little load. It won't take long. Yeah, we working. See, I secure the back of it. So how far they can push it on here. So I secure the back and the front. Hey, I don't take no chances. Might more than likely won't move, but hey, no chances. But they couldn't push it in as far, which make it easier for the next guy to take it off. So hey, why not? Leave it up there, and I'm gonna put another little bar up front. Let's get skinny, Lando. Top of the morning, y'all. What it is, your boy. Okay, the continuation of this load. Well, it's now Saturday morning, and I'm at my dealership where I bought the truck. I'm gonna get it checked out. Okay, you like clothes over there. I don't know what's going on with my coolant, man. I got my coolant reservoir changed, but I done put like 2 gallons of coolant in this thing like every other day. All week I'm about to put about 4 gallons, so something ain't right. I got a reservoir change or something ain't right, so we gotta fix that. So I might come over and get it checked out. But it look like clothes over there, but I still ain't gonna talk to somebody. I'm check back in with y'all real quick. Sit on your hat. King business, man. We out here. Gotta guess, y'all. And she rocking Kingdom Business. She got the pink Kingdom Business shirt. We gotta guess this morning. You know what I mean? Hold on. Alright, we on site, y'all. And it's looking like nobody's not here. That's 52. But this might be 50. That's 44 though. It's a little off. Gang. Hello, okay, there we go. Morning. How you doing, boss? It's 4748?
Yeah.
How you want me to do it?
You turn around and then pull up right here.
Work. So I brought my assistant to work today, and this is what my assistant is doing. You gonna work today?
Really, Orlando? Really?
I'm just saying, like.
I work. I'm taking a break. I got a 15.
You ain't even start.
I got a 15.
How you take a break before you even start working?
I got
Tighten up,
15
man.
minutes.
You fired. Yo. Yo. Watch out, no money. I work still. Work still. I like that truck, man. I feel like I might get me a new truck. So we got this right. I wasn't even gonna put it on there. Dude gave it to me. He said, yeah, put it on there before you get there, right? Nah, they can't get it off. I should never put it. I don't never put seal on my truck. It's my truck. But listen, this is what happened. Never again. Open. Now we're about to just pull them off. Come up. Come on. If people can't see it, they don't believe it.
Yeah, exactly.
He's lying. This is why low securement is important. See, I secure the back of it, so how far they can push it on here. So I secure the back and the front. Hey, I don't take no chances. Might more than likely won't move, but hey, no chances. And they couldn't push it in as far, which make it easier for the next guy to take it off. So hey, why not? Leave it up there. I'm gonna put another little bar up front. Let's get skinny, Lando.